Should I seal my ductwork? Yes, sealing leaking ductwork is usually worthwhile because it can improve comfort, reduce wasted heating and cooling, and help keep dust out of the air. Ductwork carries heated or cooled air from your equipment to the rooms in your home, but small gaps can let that air escape before it arrives. Leaks often occur at joints, corners, connection points, and places where ducts pass through attics, crawl spaces, or walls. This can make some rooms too hot or too cold while your system works longer and uses more electricity. A useful test is to feel around duct connections while the system is running and watch for loose insulation, dusty streaks, or whistling sounds. For a lasting repair, use professional duct mastic or approved foil tape, because ordinary cloth duct tape can dry out and fall away. An important detail many people miss is that return ducts matter too, because leaks there can pull dusty attic or crawl space air into the system. Seal accessible joints first, then add insulation where ducts run through unheated spaces. If the ductwork is damaged, poorly sized, or difficult to reach, have a qualified contractor inspect it before spending money on repairs. One common mistake is sealing only the visible supply vents, so focus on the actual duct joints and the return side of the system. Another mistake is wrapping every leak with ordinary duct tape, so use mastic or tape specifically approved for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning ducts. Some homeowners seal ducts without checking for unsafe combustion appliances nearby, so ask a qualified professional for help if the ducts are near a furnace, water heater, or other fuel-burning equipment. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.